always a proverb or a saying to match whatever emotion or situation there is. Now, these proverbs or sayings are influenced by our multicultural ancestry, namely that of the African and English ancestry. And of course, it's not just the saying or the proverb, it's how you say it too. You can tell there, Rockstone a river bottom no sun hot. In fact, if we were to say that in standard English, it would be the rock at the bottom of the river doesn't know the heat of the sun. In other words, you may be in a sheltered situation and you may not know hardship. So you must be mindful that your circumstances may not allow you to relate to another person's circumstances. Your situation may not be able to relate to everyone. So, what it really means is that Rockstone a river bottom, it no really no sun hot, because your situation different. There is so much truth and wisdom in our good old Jamaican proverbs. So we need to claim our heritage, know our culture, get to know we Jamaican proverb them, and use them when we really need to.